Easter, everybody! I'm Reverend Maggie Alderman, Senior Minister at CCU Orlando, and I want to invite you and your friends and your family and your neighbors to be with us this Sunday for our blowout Easter celebration. It's gonna be Gospel Sunday. We are celebrating the community that is coming alive in the spirit of rebirth, and you won't want to miss it. And I want to remind you all that after service, we are having our first annual Easter egg hunt for all of the littles. You're going to want to have your camera and you're going to want to be present to watch them squeal with delight as they find their hidden treasures. I can't wait to see each of you this Sunday in the sanctuary and online. Remember, we are unity because of you. See you Sunday.